Tulad na buhay po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa ating financial literacy session. So I'm your coach for this afternoon, Agot Manaksa, financial educator and campaigner from Abu Dhabi, UAE. Isa po akong OFW at isa na rin po akong overseas Filipino investors and overseas Filipino entrepreneur. Kasama ko rin pong financial educator ang aking asawa, si Leo Manaksa. Kami po ang founder ng Maunlad na Pinoy with IMG Facebook page. Okay, our topic for this afternoon is about mutual fund investing. Tinatawag din po natin itong level 2 investing, no? Bigyan ko lang kayo ng brief bakit level 2 investing from our book The Secret to Savings and Building Your Future. No, naintindihan natin ang pagbibuild ng ating solid financial foundation o yung ating financial house should be from the ground up. Inuuna natin yung ating healthcare, meron tayong short-term and long-term care. Kailangan meron tayong protection or income replacement, especially po kung tayo po ay breadwinner. Kailangan tinatanggal din natin yung mga utang natin. Kasi nga po, anay yan nasisira ng ating bahay. Tama po ba? And of course, kailangan meron tayong emergency fund. Ito yung itinatabi natin at dudukutin in case of emergency. And lastly, yung investment. Bakit po last ang investment? Dapat po nating maintindihan na kahit po gaano kalaki o karami yung investment natin, isang critical illness lang po at kung wala tayong healthcare, pwede pong maubos yan. At nakakalungkot pa paano po kung wala tayong sapat na ipon at wala tayong sapat na investment, diba? So ganyan po ang solid financial foundation, we should build from the ground up. Okay? Moving forward, our discussion outline for this afternoon is what is mutual fund, why mutual fund, and how to start in mutual fund. Okay, mutual fund is a company that pulls money from many investors and invest the money in securities such as stocks, bonds, and short term. So ibig sabihin, si mutual fund po, pinagsama-sama niya po yung pera ng mga investor. May mag-i-invest ng 1,000, 5,000, 100,000, 1 million at inilalagay po yan sa mga iba't ibang investment. Kikita po yan o magge-generate po yan ng returns at ibinabalik po yan sa mga investors. Alright? Yung binibili po natin sa mga mutual fund companies ay tinatawag po nating shares. Okay. Kung ikaw ay nagsisave sa bangko, ang tawag sa iyo ay depositors. Si bangko, nilalagay niya yung investment mo sa mga government securities, commercial papers, and stock equities. Kikita siya halimbawa ng 12% at alam natin, ang ibinabalik lang ni bangko sa atin as depositor is 0.125%. Subject pa po yan sa tax. Kung ikaw naman ay nag-i-invest sa mutual fund, ang tawag sa iyo ay shareholder. No? Inilalagay din ni mutual fund ang ating investment sa government securities, commercial papers, and stock equities. Kikita siya ng 12%, ang kagandahan dito, ibinabalik din niya sa mga investor na 12%. Kasi nga po, ang mutual fund is ownership. So why mutual fund is fund investing? First, diversification. Hindi lang po inilalagay sa isang investment company yung investment natin. Kumbaga, hindi mo inilalagay ang itlog mo sa iisang basket. More companies to invest, more shares of different companies. And professional management, educated, expert experience. Meaning, kung ikaw ay common na tao, you don't have the technical knowledge, no? You don't need to worry kasi po merong professional fund manager na nagmamanage ng ating mga investment. Ang kagandahan pa rin dito, ease and convenience, no? Easy access kung meron kang portal at sa additional investment mo and sa redemption mo or yung withdrawal mo. Kung lagi kang busy and you don't have time to yung magbantay ng stock market, so mutual fund is the right thing for you. Ang maganda pa po dito, it's tax-free, already subject to final withholding tax. Therefore, investors in mutual fund are no longer subject to tax. At ito po yung gusto natin, di ba? Secure and safe. Why? because it's highly regulated by Securities Exchange Commission under Republic Act 2629. Okay, now, how to start investing? First, you have to identify investment financial goals. And then you have to set time horizon. And of course, you have to choose a mutual fund investment and get a portal access. Okay, what are your financial dreams or financial goals? Bakit ka nga ba mag-i-invest? Para sa retirement fund ba yan? Educational fund ba yan ng anak mo? Para sa dream house or lot or car ba yan? Travel funds or para yan ba yan sa future business mo? Once you identify this, you have to set timeline. Hanggang kailan ka mag-i-invest? 2 to 3 years, 5 to 10 years, 10 to 20 years. Right? Kasi nga po, sabi nga po ni Boss Rex Mendoza, goals without deadlines are just a dream. So, ibig sabihin, pag meron kang goals, magse-set ka ng deadlines. And then, before starting, you have to identify yourself. Anong type of investors ka? Conservative ka ba? Madali kang matakot kapag baksak ang market, magre-redeem ka na? Conservative investors invest solely in treasury bills and notes, high-grade commercial papers, and other interest-bearing instruments. Or moderate ka lang, balance, cool. Invest in a basket of blue chip and growth stocks, government securities, and other fixed income securities. Or aggressive, no? Kasi ang goal mo is long-term. Growth-oriented mutual fund invested in blue chip and growth and fund companies and fixed income securities. Once you identify this, you can choose your mutual fund. Like, we have a type of mutual fund. First, yung ating bond fund. Investment composition po nito is fixed income instrument. Objective or yung goal mo is stability plus reasonable growth. Average earning is 6%. Mostly po this is for the conservative and balanced investors. Money market fund, short-term fixed income instrument. Short-term, ibig sabihin 2 to 3 years, no? Stability and minimal growth. Kaya nga po ang average earning niya is 2% lang. Para lang po sa mga conservative investors. And very short-term yung kanyang timeline. Stock fund, shares of stocks equity funds, long-term and capital growth, no? Ito po ay para sa mga aggressive investor. And you will see the average earning is 18%. As we said, the higher the risk, the higher the return. So ang kanyang investment is long-term, yung timeline niya from 5 to 10 years or 10 to 20 years. So balanced fund, stock and fixed income, medium to long-term for moderate investor. So pwede po ito sa moderate and aggressive investor. Ang average earning po niya is nasa 12%. Most likely 5 to 10 years timeline or yung kanyang time horizon sa investing. So how to start? Of course, first you have to find financial broker. No, you can invest through IMG, be an IMG member, or through Ramper Financial, our partner. All right? Ito po yung mga mutual fund companies. Meron tayong PhilAm Asset Management, PhilEquity, Soldibo Fund, Atram, FAMI, Sunlight. Ito po yung website ni Ramper. Just go there and fill up the form. Okay? Ito yung itsura ng kanilang Facebook page at ang kanilang website because they're already scam po na nanggagaya ng kanilang website. So just be careful and check yung pagiging legit ng website na pupuntahan nyo po. Okay? And also be aware about the entry fee charge, no? Yung initial investment na sinasabi na meron po silang broker commission. Okay? So just want to give you a background. For example, if you directly invest through our partner Ramper at pinili mo yung Soldibo Strategic Growth Fund, all right? Paano po to? So ang kanyang risk profile is aggressive. Ang minimum initial investment is 1,000. Ang minimum additional investment, no, is 500. Recommended length of stay po is 5 years and up. Okay? Meron po silang management fee na 2.25% per annum. Ito po yung entry fee ranging from 0.56% to 3.36%. Holding period, 6 months. And kapag nag-redeem ka or nag-withdraw ka less than 6 months, meron po silang early redemption fee na 1.12%. Ibig sabihin po ng entry fee range or yung charge, no? Pag nag-invest ka ng 1,000, may mababawas po na 0.56% to 3.36% sa investment mo and sa additional investment mo. So ganyan po yung ibig sabihin ng entry fee. Okay, if you decided, just screenshot this and accomplish and submit the following documents to Ramper. Okay, if you decided naman po through IMG, all new IMG members automatically become mutual fund investor. From your membership fee, may ilalagay pong 1,000 pesos as your initial investment sa yung mutual fund, no? Ang maganda po is zero entry fee. So ano po ba ang effect ng zero load or zero entry fee? Non-IMG member, for example, you invested 100,000 and you have 3% load fee. So yung 100,000 mo, nabawasan siya, 97,000 na lang po yung pwede mong bilhin na NABs. Ang total na NABs or shares na nabili mo, ang presyo ng NABs niya is 8.23 per shares or yung NABs. NABs is net asset value per shares. Ito yung presyo ng shares, alright? Ang total na nabili mo is 11,872. Kung IMG member ka, because you are zero load free, 100,000 din yung investment mo, same price of NABs, ang total na shares na nabili mo is 12,146. And then after 10 years, ang investment value niya, kung nung binili mo is 8 pesos, 0.23 pesos lang, after 10 years, 37.89 na, so kumita ka na, ang total value is 449,830. Kung ikaw ang IMG member, ang kinita mo is 460,211. So dahil meron nga pong load fee, nawalan ka at least ng 10,381. Ang actual return from non-IMG, 332%. As IMG, because zero load fee is 350%. So dito po sa IMG, no, we believe na a peso saved is a peso earned. So sayang din po yan. Okay? So ano pa po ang benefits? As I said, zero entry fee. You don't need to accomplish all of these documents kasi po si IMG na po magpa-process ng inyong investment. And you can top up as low as 20 pesos. So kung hindi ka nag-corneto, nag-Starbucks, itatabi mo yan, you can add in your mutual fund anytime because you will have a portal, no? So part of our mission po kasi, no, we are spreading financial literacy. You can have investment in indirect, investment in stock market, which is mutual fund, and we have also direct stocks through my trade. Through our partners, of course, Ramper Financial. So, bakit IMG? No, kasi po you can grow in your financial life, no? You can attend anytime sa ating financial workshop po, open for all IMG member. Hindi lang about mutual fund. You can learn here how to increase your cash flow and how to manage your debt, how to build a strong financial foundation, and how to have proper protection. You can also learn how to build wealth and asset accumulation. And kung gusto mo rin matutunan yung mga retirement planning and wealth preservation. And of course, ang maganda po dito, you can learn how to build a business in the financial industry. And hindi lang po siya limited about investment. There's a lot of different kinds of trainings and successful stories. And of course, you will be part of community of savers. What is the advantage if you're in the community na ang mindset po ay pag-ipon at pagsisave? You will be also converted. Mabibuild po yung mindset mo from being a spender to saver kasi naandoon yung influence ng mga savers na kasama mo sa community. Yun po isang pinakamaganda why we're encouraging you to invest through IMG. Ito po yung two major mutual fund natin sa IMG, Soldibo Strategic Growth Fund for the aggressive investor, and we have Soldibo Bond Fund for the conservative and balanced or moderate investors. Ganito po yung itsura ng ating fund allocation. This was May 31, 2021, and currently this is April 29, 2022. So ang ating asset allocation, yan, is equities 94.63% and cash equivalent 5.37%. Ibig sabihin po niyan, para po yan sa mga magre-redeem or magwi-withdraw, no? From this asset under management, all right? Meron tayong mga sectors for property, holding firms, bank, consumer, transportations, and others. Yung mga top 10 holdings po natin is Ayala Corporation, SM Prime, Ayala Land, Bank of the Philippine Island, BDO Unibank, SM Investment, International Container Terminal Service, Jollibee Food Corporation, Robinson Land Corporation, Cebu Air. So ano pong nakikita natin dito? Ibig sabihin, tayo pong mga simpleng tao, no, instead na nagiging consumer lang tayo ng mga top 10 corporation na to, nagkakaroon tayo ng opportunity to be part owner, shareholder, or investor din po ng mga malalaking kumpanyang ito. Okay, so ito po yung itsura ng ating dashboard or portal. Nandiyan po yung pangalan nyo, yung inyong ID as IMG member. Makikita nyo po dyan yung portfolio nyo. You can add and request redemption anytime, anywhere. Makikita nyo yung current NAVs or yung net asset value per shares. You can add every day, every week, every month, quarterly, annually, no, as low as 20 pesos po, and again, 0 log fee. Right? Ito naman po yung sa aking asawa. So you can plan, no, yung investment journey. Kasi it's convenience and easy access po ya. Access po siya through your portal. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for your listening. And sabi nga po ni Boss Rex, no, you don't have the right to invest unless you are properly protected. Please feel free to connect with me. Paki-scan po tong aking QR code. And I'm happy to assist you in your investment journey. Once again, I'm your coach, Agot Manaksa. God bless.